Alright everybody, welcome back. In this episode we're going to be learning how to set up your Aweber account, setting up your opt-in email list, and also the emails that go within that. The first thing you're going to do is come back to aweber.com. You can either sign in here or no matter what page you land on, you can always click the top right hand corner to sign in. And then you're going to sign in. Alright, now we're signed into our account. I already have one built here. Since you don't have one built, it will usually open up a tutorial automatically here. But since I'm not have that, I'm going to have to go up here and open it up myself. So either way, you can come up to create and manage list. Then come to create a new list. Then you're going to name it. And then you're going to give it a brief description. Now the subscriber alerts, this is if you want to know every time somebody signs up, what it'll do is automatically send you an email. So some people think that's fun and exciting that they get to know every time somebody signs up. Other people get annoyed with it after a while. Me personally, I don't like to know, because if I start having 20-30 people sign up in a day, I don't want 20 or 30 emails in my box clogging it all up. But that's totally up to you and your preferences. Then down here you're going to come put your company name and then your URL. Make sure you put the http:// in before your website, so you have it like that. And then you're going to click Save List Settings. And now it's saying it's already taken. So let's try taking out the free and adding 321 at the end. Now it says it's available. Let's come down here and see. Perfect. So now it's successfully updated the list information. Now up here it says set up your confirmation email subject line. So we're going to do this step. Now if you highlight your mouse over anything and hover, it's going to tell you in a little box that'll pop up a little bit about each thing. Now this is the subject line. You can leave it as a default or you can change it if you like to any things. And the list name here, where it says list name, that's just going to name the name of your list, which this one is information 321, and whatever you may put, it'll fill it in there automatically. So we're just going to hit close there. Then it has an introduction. It gives you a basic introduction there. If you want to add to it, all you do is click, and then you can type anything you need, just like a Word document. And if you want to insert a field like person's name or anything, all you do is come up here and click. If you click that, it adds the name. So that'll put whatever that person's name is and fill it in that blank spot. So I'll put thanks and then that little name, so that'll fill in their name. I'm going to put wrap long lines, so it pulls it over. This is just because this is the recommended width is inside this white side, not into the blue. So you can add anything additional here, just like type in a Word document. Hit close. This will automatically be done by Aweber. You don't need to do anything here. This is where they'll actually click the link to opt into your list. It's what's called a double opt-in, and this keeps you from having any issues with spam and people and internet providers taking your email, putting in people's spam folders. Because people double opt into your list, it shows that they're actually supposed to receive the email, and that's how it gets delivered with minimal issues. Then you have a closing block. If you like to add anything there, you can add a closing statement. It's typed just like the other one, like a Word document. And then once you're all finished, you can hit the save confirmation message. And then you can click the save confirmation success page. Like I said, you can type anything in there you want. Click the save. Now you'll click the next over here on your tutorial and you're going to have to create a web form. You're going to click do this step. And this is going to be basically you're just going to write an email on this page. Now you put your subject line here, so whatever your subject is. And then you're going to write a message in here, just like typing in a Word document.